Aging is a natural part of life. It's a journey filled with experiences, wisdom, and change. As we age, our bodies and minds change. It's important to take care of both. This is where mindfulness comes in. Mindfulness is about being present in the moment. It's about paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. We can cultivate mindfulness through various practices. A wonderful way to incorporate mindfulness into our lives is by creating a DIY Mindfulness Kit. This kit is a personalized collection of tools and reminders. It helps us stay grounded, focused, and relaxed. Think of it as a treasure chest filled with well-being practices. Creating a DIY Mindfulness Kit is a journey of self-discovery. It's about choosing items that resonate with you. These items then serve as gentle nudges. They remind you to pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. Let's explore how mindfulness can benefit us as we age. Then, we'll delve into the steps to create your own personal mindfulness kit. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for healthy aging. It offers numerous benefits for our minds and bodies. One of the key benefits is stress reduction. Stress takes a toll on our physical and emotional health. Mindfulness helps us manage stress by bringing awareness to the present moment. We learn to observe our thoughts and feelings without getting carried away. Mindfulness also improves our focus and memory. As we age, it's common to experience occasional forgetfulness. Regular mindfulness practice strengthens our attention span. This can lead to improvements in memory and cognitive function. Emotional well-being is another area where mindfulness shines. It cultivates a sense of inner peace and acceptance. By practicing mindfulness, we learn to acknowledge our emotions without judgment. This allows us to respond to challenges with more calmness and resilience. Moreover, mindfulness has been linked to physical health benefits. Studies have shown that mindfulness can reduce blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and boost the immune system. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, mindfulness contributes to our overall physical well-being. Now let's create your DIY Mindfulness Kit. Gather items that resonate with you. Choose things you find calming, inspiring, or engaging. A simple and beautiful container, like a basket or a wooden box, can hold your mindfulness treasures. The first item for your kit is a journal. Journaling is a powerful way to cultivate self-reflection and process emotions. Find a journal that appeals to you. Choose one with lined or unlined pages, depending on your preference. Next, add some breathing tools. Deep breathing exercises are essential for relaxation and stress reduction. You can include items like a small bottle of essential oil. Lavender or chamomile are excellent choices for relaxation, or a feather to use as a visual cue for your breath. Sensory items are wonderful additions to your kit. These can engage your senses and promote relaxation. Consider including a smooth stone to hold, a scented candle, or a small bell to create soothing sounds. Lastly, include a small notepad and pen to jot down your mindfulness goals or track your progress. This will serve as a visual reminder of your commitment to mindfulness. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-discovery and emotional well-being. It's a space where you can freely express your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Make it a habit to spend a few minutes each day writing in your journal. Start by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus on your writing. Don't worry about grammar or punctuation. Simply let your thoughts flow onto the page. You can write about your day, your dreams, your worries, or anything else that comes to mind. One helpful journaling technique is gratitude journaling. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be simple things like a sunny day or a delicious meal. Focusing on gratitude can shift your mindset to a more positive and appreciative outlook. Another effective journaling practice is to use prompts. Prompts are questions or statements that guide your writing. For instance, you could ask yourself, what brought me joy today? Or what am I feeling grateful for right now? Experiment with different prompts to explore various aspects of your inner world.